What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carpenter Reg, and welcome back to another video. This segment I'm gonna record it on my phone real quick so I get my GoPro together. But your boy is getting ready to put his stereo inside the G. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this deck inside the G. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, and y'all gonna see. So as y'all can see, this is what I'm putting in the G. Pioneer thing, got Apple CarPlay, all of that, you know, EQ. When I put my subs in here, that's real important. You gotta have an EQ, you know what I'm saying? So you can tune your music. But I'm here, finna go see what's up. Finna go see the price and all this other stuff right now. So y'all go ahead and stick on the video. I'm about to switch to the GoPro right now. All right, y'all, we made it to the stereo shop right now. They're going ahead and installing the deck right now. And this is where I first got my first setup from, in the Acura. The total was $500 to put the stereo in. I couldn't use the other thing that I had because it didn't have no bracket or nothing. I didn't even think about that. I should have bought one, but couldn't use that one, so I had to use the one that got the rubber pieces. Ugh. So I had to use that one. But I'm gonna switch that out soon. I'm gonna switch that rubber, you know, piece of plastic out soon. I still want to put the other one in. I just gotta go find like a bracket and stuff for it, and I'll go ahead and do that. But we waiting right now. We're waiting for it to come out, and while we wait, I don't know. I'm kind of bored right now. Dre's supposed to be on his way, so y'all might see Dre on the vlog if he want to get on the vlog. But yeah, you know that, hey, you know what, to be honest, they got some Sundown Audio 12s, bruh, in there, and they also got the L712 Comp Q. Now if y'all know subwoofers, y'all know about Sundown, and y'all gotta know about Kicker. Now I want to do slap in this car. Y'all know that's mandatory, so should I do it today or should I wait? And what should I put in it? What type of slap should I put in it? Should I put 10? Should I put 12s? Should I do 8s? You know, I was thinking about 8s. So let me know in the comments and let me know what I should do. What type of slap should I get? So yeah, we finna wait, and then I'll catch back in with y'all just a little bit. All gutty, y'all. Woo. That look like a total different car, bro. Crazy. So y'all, we in this old school today, and this nigga took me on an adventure. I'm in the hood.
You in the good part, bro. What's up? Y'all journey? Yeah, I posted up with the one and only.
Okay.
Mr. 1K himself.
Oh,
Mr. 1K.
come on, bro.
You know I've been getting the call. I've been meaning to call you. It wasn't gonna take too long. I've been, you know, doing this, a little bit of that.
Yeah, I know.
I definitely got the notification.
Oh yeah. It's all good. I knew you was gonna get to it.
The waiver definitely went out.
Oh
the
yeah.
1K waiver. That's the 1K. 1K himself.
I ain't gonna lie, that feel good.
You know you do that 10 times, nigga. You Mr. 10K. Now you viral.
Oh yeah. I'm going up. Dre pulled up in that big sedan DeVille, man. Come on, man.
Nigga pull up in that Johnny Bravo.
Woo!
Big bodies. Hey, it's a lot of motherfuckers built like Johnny.
It's crazy.
Oh man, bro, Captain Crunch.
That old school.
Captain.
Stop playing with him.
It was all Captain.
This thing big, feel comfortable too. Comment if I should get an old school. I want a box. Comment if I should get an old school too. Add to the arsenal. Let me know. Riding in this old school, man, I feel like I'm sitting on the couch. This thing's so goddamn comfortable. And when you go over a bump in this, it don't feel like a bump. Gotta turn this thing wide too. We in Bayfair. Anybody know, you live in California, you know about this mall. This nigga got me in the hood, man. I'm just playing lost. It's a good part.
Good part, yeah.
You know, Reg be in the suburbs. Suburb Reg. We on East 14th.
E14.
That's how they say it in Oakland. E14, my suburb ass. We're on East 14th. Nah, but this street go, what, from Hayward all the way to Oakland.
Yeah, it's the longest street.
It's the longest street.
Yeah.
Out here, so.
From all the way from the lake.
All the way to the lake. Oh.
Past
oh yeah, that's far. Yeah.
To 170 something.
Yeah, this street runs hella far.
Need almost 200 blocks we're talking about.
Yeah. That's crazy. Ooh, this thing smell like a carburetor. Hey, let them know.
Yeah.
$100?
Oh yeah. So from E to F, 91 premium, and that was at $4.70 a gallon. That shit was $100. And gas is at $5 now in the town. So I'm looking at a cool little $1.20 probably, close to $1.20 to fill this thing up. Cause
Carburetor.
yeah, it gets like 10 miles, 11 miles per gallon. I want to say that's freeway too.
Yeah.
And it's a carburetor, of course, and the gas tank holds 27 gallons. So that's why this thing is...
No cap, I ain't gonna lie. I get on them all the time about not driving this car, but I ain't gonna lie, I gotta see. Bro, that's a lot of money, bruh.
Yeah.
And then bruh who had it before you was driving like at least 100 miles a day.
Yeah, he was back and forth to Stockton and back and forth to Sacramento.
His pockets ran deep.
Hell yeah, bro.
His pockets ran deep, bruh. Even in my pockets, ooh, hold on, what's this? Okay. Ooh, that thing sound good. People pull out the old schools today, I see.
That shit sound good. That's an old school Nova.
Oh, that's a Nova?
Yeah, like a 70, like a 73, 74.
Yeah, that thing sound good, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, he put some money behind that, you can tell.
Nova. That Nova thing. That Nova girl.
That Casanova.
That boy, you got that Casanova. Yeah, y'all, let me know. Should I get me a box? A Chevy? If I get me a box, bruh, I ain't gonna lie.
You gotta break that down. They might not know what that means.
Oh.
A box Chevy.
I think the one I want is a 79 Chevy Caprice, right?
Yeah.
And I want the photo one.
Yeah, 77 through 79.
Yep. I think the one I want is a 79.
Yeah.
So I give me a 79 Chevy Caprice. Y'all can look it up if y'all don't know what I'm talking about.
AKA the box Chev.
Yep, AKA they call them the box Chev. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm gonna go crazy with that car. I'll put some foes on there. As I'm talking about foes, I'm talking about 20 foes. Put some foes on there. I ain't gonna say Dre's setup, but his is ridiculous. I would say mine. He like to keep everything private.
Yeah.
I don't want to keep mine private. I want to let you know what I got. I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm gonna put 219s in mine.
That's gone.
I'm gonna put 219s with a big box. So, oh yeah, that 50 right there. Yeah, I put 219s with a big box, candy wine red paint job, some gold ones, some gold foes.
Gotta get the gold ones.
And then the inside, I'm gonna have Alcantara on the headliner, and then there's gonna be gold on the inside with the gold trimming around it. So it's gonna be clean. And I'll put me I'll probably put an LS3 in there too. I'll probably try to get it to like 700 to the wheel. So it's gonna be fast too. So just cause that big thing gonna move, bruh. It's definitely gonna move. So let me know if I should get let me know if I should get an old school. If I do an old school, man, I'm gonna for sure build it like I'm building an Infiniti, but different, cause it's an old school.
Take your time, man. That's the best advice I can give you.
Yeah.
And it's really no rush.
Yeah, it's really no rush. When it comes to building a car, period, there's no rush. Like,
No rush.
I was thinking when I first got the Infiniti, I said, damn, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. I ain't gotta do nothing. Kick back, enjoy the process. You know what I'm saying? So if you out there, you trying to build a car, don't think that you gotta be in a rush. You know what I'm saying? Take your time and you know, actually know what you want before you go out there and do it and you regret it. So take your time.
No competition either.
Yeah, no competition. Only competition you are with is with yourself.
And your pockets.
Yeah, in your pockets.
Yeah, that's all competition.
But yeah, like no competition with other people. A lot of people gonna have better stuff than you have too. Like there's always gonna be someone that's gonna outdo whatever you got. You know what I'm saying? But you know, just do what you like to do, pretty much. You're only living for yourself anyway. So now we back in Hayward, coming back to the stereo shop, and I'll give y'all a review of how it looks and how it sounds and stuff. And like I said, I can't play no music. I gotta play like a free copyright song. So bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Or like a little beat or something, just so y'all can hear real quick. But yeah, we approaching right now. The finished product, y'all. The finished product. It's looking good, nice and flush. I'm gonna give y'all another. Let y'all look at it more. And I get from Pete's. Oh, yeah. Huh? Oh yeah, this is come on, man.
Stay out the way.
This man know me. So we at Pete's right now. So let me get out my comfort zone and vlog real quick in front of people. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get out of my comfort zone. I don't care who look at me right now. It is what it is.
You got a job to do.
Yeah, I'm 1,000 subscribers up now, so. Pete's. Get something to drink. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I never had no Pete's before. Huh? Oh yeah. Come on, look, oh man. Come on, bro. Goals.
You want some?
I don't know, I ain't never had Pete's before. I ain't never had Pete's before. What y'all eat? Y'all drink Pete's? Let me know in the comments. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm really breaking out my comfort zone right now. I'm nervous as hell. I'm gonna keep on recording because I got to. Exactly. This is a vlog, right? I gotta be. Come on, bro. What? Oh no, this is the camera. Yeah, this is a camera. We just left Pete's. This is the drink. Got that little drizzle. I see the drizzle. Hold on.
See the drizzle, man?
See the drizzle? Let's take a hit of this.
It's cool.
I ain't gonna lie, this is better than Starbucks frap.
For real?
Hell yeah.
I was questioning that second taste. You know that second taste is like I don't know. Let me make sure it tastes good.
Nah, it tastes fresh.
Oh, Pete's. I don't go to Starbucks no more, bro. Pete's be shitting.
Shout out to Pete's. If y'all want to sponsor me too, get at me. So yeah, y'all, this is it right here. This is the deck Pioneer. Watch how it come on. The next entertainment system.
What you gonna play so you won't get copyrighted?
I'm gonna play some
You can play instrumentals, can't you?
Yep.
That'll be me.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key.
Let's turn it up, y'all.
Slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, get you top this. I came from where the boys leave you topless.
That's what it sound like, y'all. I'm gonna let Dre hear some other music real quick, cause this is you know, they gonna copyright me on YouTube. But I'll check back in with y'all when I leave from here. So yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. This also has Apple CarPlay on it too. Bluetooth, of course, radio. It has a own personalized EQ. When I get subwoofers, because y'all know that's gonna be important when I get them subs, man. And I'm gonna get the subs maybe next month. We'll probably get some subs next month or September, month after. No rush, but I kind of do want some subs now. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of do want some subs. I don't know what sizes yet. I don't know if I want to do 8s, 10s, or 12s. I think 12s might be a little bit too big for this car, because with subs, man, you want the more room, the better the sub will do. So most likely it'll probably be 10s or I'll do 8s. If I do 8s, it's gonna be 4 8s. Letting y'all know that right now, 3 or 4 8s. If I do 10s, it's gonna be 2 10s. But if I do 12s, maybe 1 12, something like that with a big box. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it on this video. You know, we went to shop, got the deck in. Let me show y'all the EQ real quick. And I'm driving at the same time, multitasking. So as y'all can see, this is all the EQ. You can see, like, you know, when I get my subwoofers, I could do so much to, you know, to personalize my settings. Same thing like how the way I did with the Acura. Same EQ system. It's real important to get an EQ system within your deck so you can tune your music so it can sound crystal clear as possible. That's what you want. You want it to sound crystal clear as possible. I didn't tune this one yet for the inside speakers. Probably when I get home, I'll probably go ahead and do a little bit of tuning. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more vlogs like this, let me know. I actually did bring the camera out for the first time in public. You know, that was real big. I'm really shy, you know what I'm saying? I'm really shy, and I get nervous around other people because other people like to stare at you, you know, when you are talking to a camera. Some people don't really understand, but anyways, it don't matter to them, you know what I'm saying? I gotta still do what I gotta do. So y'all, let me know. Boost my head up, y'all. Should I do more public vlogs and stop being so scary? Should I, you know, should I show y'all more of what I do throughout the day? Let me know. I'll definitely be coming out of my comfort zone, because I do get, like, I am nervous. I ain't gonna lie, I do get nervous. So not really like nervous, it's just anxiety, I guess. I don't know. Can't really think of the word. But if you're new, man, go ahead and subscribe right now, man. I know this video was lit. Go ahead and like it up. Go ahead and watch all my other videos, because I do absolutely lit content on this channel. And if you are been subscribed for the longest, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Your love never goes unnoticed. When you guys like and then comment, really does help me out. And I guess I'll see y'all on the next video. Show y'all one more time. This is the Pioneer. Don't know the name of it. Let me know in the comments if you guys like it. I really don't like these rubber buttons. It looks really lame. So I might switch this dash kit out pretty soon. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next video.
Don't stop on a trip.